Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. For those of you that have just come across my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And as usual, for those that are following me and have subscribed, thank you so much and a great welcome back. So it is now day 9 of my 3K in 31 day challenge, and in this video I thought I'd give you a quick update of where I'm at. So as you know, if you've been following me on my channel, you will know that I've been exploring various different ways of generating income online, and this is kind of what's prompted me to put together a challenge of having to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. So on my last video I was talking about affiliate marketing, and if you still haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out because it is definitely a great way of generating passive income. I will leave a link down in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But another way that I am also considering is whether or not I should start a Shopify store. Now I know what you're saying. You're probably thinking, well, Ollie, I thought the whole point of this challenge was to try and spend as little money as possible and make as much money as possible. And you would be right. Having thought of that, there is a way in which I can potentially start a Shopify store for free. And the way that I would do that is that I kind of had a look into Shopify, and at the moment they are offering a 1-month trial, totally free of charge. So I was thinking, why not start a Shopify store for 30 days and see what money I can make out of it. Now, I don't know anything about Shopify. I don't know how to start a Shopify store, but I thought it would be an exciting project to take on, and if it does hit off, then potentially I could be generating money. Again, what attracted me to this model is that it is totally passive, and I'm thinking it also combines the drop shipping strategy. And again, for those of you that don't know what drop shipping is, make sure you check out my video. I talk about drop shipping and how it works. Again, I will leave a link down in the description below so you can go check that out. But I am really thinking of starting a Shopify store. Now, it does mean that I'm going to have to go through a learning curve, and I do have questions in my mind where I'm thinking, is it, am I, spreading myself too thin? How long is it going to take to learn? Something? To hell with it. This is a challenge, and challenges are all about pushing yourself that little bit further and putting yourself outside your comfort zone. So I am absolutely gonna explore it and see if it potentially is an alternative. So look out for me. Like I said, all I wanted to do in this video was give you an update of where I am. We are into day 9, and yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to continue getting updates on a regular basis, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications bell, so that every time I upload a video, as and when it happens, you will be one of the first to get that notification. So guys, listen, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Take care and bless.